Hi, I am Priyanka Verma and my company name is Memories Worldwide Tours and Travel. We design all kind of tours within India and worldwide destination for families, for small groups, for ladies, for senior citizens, for solos. So if you want to travel anywhere, whichever is your dream destination, you can travel with us. Sometimes you just need flight tickets or hotels, or you just need visa assistance, you need foreign exchange when you are traveling, or you need tour guide, entrance tickets, anything and everything as one stop shop. We are the travel solutions. We are Priyanka Verma from Memories Worldwide. So this is what is my company and a little bit more about me. My personal life, I've got two grown-up kids. My son is 27, my daughter is 23. They have completed their studies and working in their respective field. So I'm with my husband. He is serving with a government PSU. We are based now in Pune. For last 8 or 10 years we were in Mumbai and we have traveled all across India. I have traveled a lot of other countries related to my profession, related to my holiday with my families. So that is the reason I can really give you good consultation, good guidance about where to travel, how to travel, when to travel. Depending on, suppose if you've got small children, then what should be the pace of your travel, what should be included in your itinerary, that makes very important. Similarly, if your parents are traveling or senior citizens are traveling, their pace of travel has to be small. We have to ensure what kind of hotels and rooms and vehicles we are providing, what destination will be good for them. And this is what we curate, variety of tours. And yeah, so I'm in this industry since 1995. After completing my post graduation in tourism, I worked for various companies. I was an employee with a lot of companies where we used to do corporate booking, corporate ticketing, where we learned different concepts of travel, where we have experienced variety of ticketing, the fare rules, the international guidelines, Indian rules, visa rules. So this is what enhances my experience in the industry, and now I'm here to share that experience with all of you. So I found my company from 2018 onwards. I have registered it. It is a GST registered company. We have got a small team with 2 operation staff, account staff, and one person who handles our social media. So it's a small team of 4 5 people where we do a lot of tours for you. So you can always get in touch with us. Here is my link, and we are present on all social media handles under Memories Worldwide. We have a website. We are on Facebook. We are on Instagram, YouTube, and also on LinkedIn and Pinterest. So get in touch with us. My mobile number is 997077774447. Our upcoming tours are for Sri Lanka in October for 6 days, where we are focusing on Ramayana Trail. Then we have got Meghalaya tour for 5 days. In November, the entire state blossom like cherry blossom. So it's a very beautiful feeling to be there for 5 days. We are promoting that in November. Then we have in December Hornbill Festival of Nagaland and Kaziranga Forest of Assam that we have clubbed. So this is how we have lot of tours. In April we'll be coming with Cherry Blossom Japan tour, and we have lot of spiritual tours also for Ayodhya, for Varanasi, for South India, for Andamans. Run of its service will start from October onwards till February, March. You can get in touch with us for that, whether you want to travel to Kashmir or Ladakh or Kerala, Singapore or Thailand, Bali. We do a lot of customized Europe holidays, Swiss holidays for your European, for honeymooners, for families, for solo. So get in touch with us. We are here to help you, to assist you. Try our services. Thank you. All the best and bye.